Our project name is Renewable Energy Powered Mobile Educational Module. So, education sector is also one of the most affected sector in this pandemic and is shown by these statistics. By observing the statistics, we can see that the learners impacted by the pandemic has grown exponentially, and there is discontinuity in the education sector, especially in case of poor children, as they cannot afford electronic gadgets to continue studying online. As we can see in the picture, they are very much willing to continue their studies, but still there is not any effective solution to address the issue of their education. Even though the people buy electronic gadgets, sometimes they may not have access to power supply or to internet connection to continue their education. So we see that lack of energy in communities create, creates a gap in education and restricts access to information. Education is a basic right to everyone, and to make it happen, we came up with the solution of providing education to the children of poor communities. We wanted to design a solution that addresses these three sustainable development goals. The first, no poverty, the fourth, quality education, and the seventh, affordable and clean energy. We will bridge the gap between the poverty and the education with the help of affordable clean energy.
We are looking forward to build a mobile station with renewable energy resources. We have chosen the two energies which are solar and wind as they are clean and affordable. With this module, we can bring the energy to the communities which cannot afford the remote education because of their poverty. We can lend them our hands in these difficult times by providing them with uninterrupted quality education so that we can bridge the gap between their studies in this pandemic. Our action plan is we'll have a mobile station with us and we are going to release an open call to the poor communities. Then we'll ask them to mention their problems. We'll go there and to make necessary inquiries about the thing they want to learn. If they have internet connectivity, it is fine and we'll project the presentations for the students which help them to learn the things. In case of an interrupted internet service, we'll go them with the pre-loaded material and help the poor children cope up with their studies. Besides, we could teach the people of that sector about the renewable energies and how can they use it to generate energy to the humanity.
So, what are the benefits? Access to free remote education, spread the use of renewable energy, bridge the educational gap, and help the students to continue their education.